Rain here. So I'm doing this because Chad asked me to. Also, it's my affiliate month, so I promised that I'll re-record because I wanted to do some charity streams, but I haven't found one that I really aligned with yet, so I'm doing this as a makeup for it. Um, yeah, this is also kind of a good time to, I guess, just start putting myself out there again in terms of music. I don't know. I just wanted to do more covers and possibly like get back into songwriting or like get back into songwriting, and this might give me the push to do that. So thank you to Mustream for being there with me because I know I sing a lot while I game and hum a lot when I game, and just because of you guys that I become a little bit more confident in like putting myself out there in terms of music. So I wrote the song Falling like 13 years ago. Still has a special place in my heart. I really like the song. So yeah, hopefully you guys enjoy. Here I am, just waiting here. What am I waiting for? I seem to be stuck in time, the time where everything goes right. What have I done? It doesn't make sense. I'm staring ahead, black and blue. I can't pretend that I'm okay. When the time comes, I'll be sitting here alone, without you on my mind, with the stars burning bright. I'm trying to forget, but I see you in my dreams. I miss the way I feel whenever I'm with you. Everything you said is clear in my head. It haunts me everywhere. It's killing me inside. Everything I do reminds me of you. It's getting harder to breathe. I'm sinking down. When the time comes, I'll be sitting here alone, without you on my mind, with the stars burning bright. I'm trying to forget, but I see you in my dreams. I miss the way I feel whenever I'm with you. I'm sorry if I started a storm. I'm falling even deeper than before. When the time comes, I'll be sitting here alone. I'd have you on my mind, with the stars burning bright. I can't forget, I see you in my dreams. I miss the way I feel whenever I'm with you. Whenever I'm with you. That's it. Sorry I don't have instrumentals. I don't have my guitar here with me, but I really hope you enjoyed that. Bye.